Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change IP address in Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, to change IP address for your device in Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First of all, go in the right corner in the button, okay, in your network icon, as you can see here, right click and click open network and internet settings. Okay guys, here in the left pane look at Ethernet. As you can see, in the right pane click change adapter options. Okay, look at your Ethernet adapter, right click, properties. Okay, here guys, look at Internet Protocol version 4, that's it. Click properties. Okay guys, here set the second option, check this one, use the following IP address, give your specific IP, as an example 192.168.100.1. okay, when you finish click in the second one, subnet mask, click here, automatically will take the subnet mask. That's it guys. Now the new IP for this device is 192.168.100.1. when you finish click OK. Okay, yes, close. As you can see here guys, my new IP is here. As you can see guys, this is my new IP. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.